Hey guys, this is Brittney Crowell. I am a Viking Bags ambassador, and I wanted to show you my brand new saddlebags that I just put on my 883 Harley Davidson. I get so many compliments on these bags. As you can tell, the leather quality is like no other with the Viking bag saddlebags. And I did just upgrade. I went with the larger bags because I do travel. So when I go on the long trips, I pack clothes, all kinds of stuff, throw them in the bags, I stay overnight, and that's really why I love them. And I've gotten a ton of compliments. Yeah, everybody seems to really love these. I'm obsessed with them because it makes my traveling so much. As you can see, it's super spacious in here. This really helps me on all my long trips. It literally makes night and day difference when you're riding and you're actually going somewhere and you can pack things with you. You don't have to have a backpack on. All right, guys, now that I've showed you my saddlebags, you can go to vikingbags.com, get yours, use my discount code Brittney20.